Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to online class of Dariyarkam. Dear students and respected parents, Assalamu alaikum. I hope so all of you will be fine. Students, stay at home and stay safe. And if you are going outside, then wear mask. May Allah keep you and your family healthy in this pandemic condition. Amen.
इस्लाम में पहल करने की फजीलत और हज़रत अबू इमामा रज़ियल्लाहु अन्हु कहते हैं कि रसूल अल्लाह सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने फरमाया, लोगों में से अल्लाह के नज़दीक तर वो शख्स है जो इस्लाम करने में पहल करे। इसलिए स्टूडेंट्स, हमें चाहिए कि हम जब भी किसी से मिलें तो इस्लाम करने में पहल करें। दूसरे के इस्लाम करने से पहले हमें खुद इस्लाम करना चाहिए ताकि हम अल्लाह ताला के नज़दीक तर लोगों में शामिल हो जाएँ। Okay, today we will start our lecture number 14. We started chapter number 10, which name is sound waves, and today we will revise our chapter number 10, which name is sound waves. Here is previous knowledge testing. Who will tell me how many types of waves? Yes, think about it. There are two types, transfer and longitudinal. Very good. And what types of waves are sound waves? Longitudinal waves are sound waves. Good. Okay, here we have first topic for revision, types of waves. There are two types of waves, transverse waves and longitudinal waves. You can see these waves in these pictures. Here is the comparison between transverse waves and longitudinal wave. Particles of medium move up and down. In transverse wave, particles move up and down. Highest point is called crest and lowest point is called trough. ये जो highest point है, these are crest and the lowest points are trough. And its example is waves in water. Longitudinal wave, particles of medium move back and forth. Parts where compressed particles are called compressions and the where particles are spread out are called rarefactions. And its example is sound waves. These parts where particles are very close to each other, these are compressions, and where they spread, these are called rarefaction. You can see in this picture. Next topic is sound waves or longitudinal waves. We know that sound waves are longitudinal waves, and for this we take the example of a drum. When a drumstick beat on a drum, then waves are produced which are longitudinal waves. You can see in this picture compressions and rarefactions are produced, and these disrupt the eardrum and then we hear the sound. Basic terms of wave. First topic is wavelength. Its unit is meters. Shortest distance between two adjacent crust and troughs of transfer wave. दो क्रस्ट के दरमियान जो डिस्टेंस होगा उसको वेवलेंथ कहते हैं, या फिर दो ट्रफ के दरमियान जो डिस्टेंस होता है उसको वेवलेंथ कहते हैं. सिमिलरली इन लॉन्गिट्यूडनल वेव इट इज़ द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन टू एडजेसेंट कंप्रेशन और रेयरफैक्शन. दो कंप्रेशंस के दरमियान डिस्टेंस को वेवलेंथ, इसी तरह दो रेयरफैक्शंस के दरमियान डिस्टेंस जो होता है उसको वेवलेंथ बोलते हैं. Next topic is amplitude. Amplitude of wave is maximum distance of the particles of medium from rest position, or it is the height of a crust or a depth of a trough from the rest position. Its unit is meters. क्या है कि this is the rest position और rest line. यहाँ से crust की जो height है उसको amplitude कहते हैं, या फिर trough की जो depth है उसको amplitude कहते हैं. You can see in this picture, and its unit is meters. Frequency. What is frequency? The name of vibration produced by a vibrating body in 1 second. Its unit is hertz, which is denoted by Hc. Frequency is equal to a number of waves over time. क्या है कि एक सेकंड में जितनी वाइब्रेशंस होंगी उनको हम फ्रीक्वेंसी कहते हैं. यू कैन सी इन दिस पिक्चर वन क्रस्ट एंड वन ट्रफ इज कॉल्ड वन साइकिल एंड इट इज़ कॉल्ड वन वाइब्रेशन आल्सो. सो एक सेकंड में जितनी वाइब्रेशंस होंगी उनको हम फ्रीक्वेंसी बोलेंगे. Speed of sound. What is speed? The distance a wave covered in unit time is called speed, and its unit is meter per second. Light travels much faster than the sound, and its example is thunder and lightning. Speed of sound in different medium is different. ठीक है. For example, in air, speed of sound is 330 meter per second. In water, it is 1500 meter per second, and in brick 3600, in wood 3800, and in steel साउंड की जो स्पीड है वो कितनी होगी 6000 मीटर पर सेकेंड. ऑडिबल फ्रीक्वेंसी रेंज. व्हाट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ ऑडिबल? ऑडिबल मीन्स एबल टू बी हर्ड, जो कि सुनने के काबिल हो. The range of frequencies which a person can hear is known as audible frequency range. Healthy human ear range is 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz कि इसके दरमियान जो भी साउंड की रेंजेस जितनी भी फ्रीक्वेंसीज होंगी वो ह्यूमन ईयर हेयर कर सकता है. डिफरेंट एनिमल्स की डिफरेंट रेंजेस हैं, जैसे डॉग की 20 to 45,000 है, डॉल्फिन की 150 to 1,50,000 है. सो इनके दरमियान जितनी भी फ्रीक्वेंसीज होंगी साउंड की वो ये डॉल्फिन हेयर कर सकती है. Next topic is pitch for VN. Pitch is the shrillness of a sound. A shrill sound is called high pitch sound and a less shrill sound is called low pitch sound. Pitch of the sound depends on the frequency. Higher the frequency, higher the pitch. ठीक है, जितनी ज़्यादा frequency ज़्यादा होगी उतनी ज़्यादा sound की shrillness ज़्यादा होगी, उतनी वो चीखती हुई ऊंची आवाज़ होगी. What is loudness? Loudness is related to the amplitude of sound. The larger the amplitude, the louder the sound. It helps to distinguish a soft sound from a loud sound. You can see in this picture, जितना ज़्यादा amplitude होगा उतनी loud sound होगी और जितना amplitude कम होगा उतनी ही sound soft होगी. Applications of different sound which are doorbell, siren, telephone, radio, security system, alarm, smoke detector and stereo player. These are the applications of sound. These perform different functions. Like doorbell tell us that someone is at the door. Okay, here is the notes of unit number 10. आप लोग ऑलरेडी ये सारे नोट्स अपनी नोटबुक पे कर चुके हो, तो ये इसलिए हैं कि अगर किसी का कुछ मिसिंग है तो वो कर ले. दीज आर द शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस ऑफ यूनिट नंबर 10. Okay, these are long question. Long question 4, compare transfer wave and longitudinal wave. Long question 5, what type of waves are sound waves and how do they transfer sound energy? Long question 6, describe loudness and pitch of sound. And long question 7, write brief note on audible frequency range and speed of sound. These are the extend your thinking of chapter number 10. You already have done on your notebooks. And these are the expected quiz question of chapter 10. लेकिन it doesn't mean कि आपने सिर्फ यही करने हैं. इसके अलावा जो रीडिंग के दौरान आप लोग इंपॉर्टेंट लाइंस मार्क करते रहे, उस पर जो आपने क्वेश्चन बनाए हुए हैं वो भी आपके क्विज क्वेश्चन में इंक्लूड है, वो भी आपने करने हैं. Okay student, this is your today lecture. Now who will tell me what is audible frequency range? The range of frequency which a person can hear is called audible frequency range. Very good. Define speed. Yes, think about it. Who will tell me what is speed? Yes, students, think about it. What is speed? The distance a wave cover in unit time is called its speeds. Very good. And its unit is meter per second. Good. What is pitch? The shrillness of a sound is called pitch. Very good. Now open your diaries and note your diary. Your diary is test of unit number 10 or assessment of unit number 10, which includes short question, long question, blanks, MCQs, extend your thinking, practice sheets 1, 2 and quiz questions. मतलब जो असेसमेंट होगी यूनिट 10 की उसमें सब कुछ आएगा. शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस भी, लॉन्ग क्वेश्चंस भी, बुक वर्क भी, प्रैक्टिस शीट्स भी और क्विज क्वेश्चंस भी. आई होप सो कि आप लोगों ने साथ साथ अपने चैप्टर को प्रिपेयर किया होगा. अब आपने क्या करना है कि सबसे पहले अपने कंप्लीट चैप्टर को प्रिपेयर करना है एंड देन यू विल डू योर असेसमेंट नंबर 1 ऑफ यूनिट 10, जो कि ऑलरेडी आप लोगों के पास है. दिस इज़ योर असेसमेंट नंबर 1. And I hope so all of you will do it with honestly. Best of luck for your assessment. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.